ऑब्वियसली मैच जीतने के लिए मतलब हम 11 लोग या 12 लोग खेलते हैं तो डिसअपॉइंटमेंट तो है ही। एंड जितना भी मारे हम लोग परफॉर्म करें, अगर टीम नहीं जीतेगा तो उनका उसका वैल्यू कुछ भी नहीं है। तो मेरे लिए तो टीम जीतना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था और नहीं हुआ, बट इट्स अ लर्निंग एंड विल गो फॉरवर्ड एंड आई होप ऐसे ही परफॉर्म करते रहूँगा और हम जीतेंगे। अपनी पारी के बारे में कुछ बात करके फ़ायदा नहीं है, क्योंकि अच्छा तो खेला बट फिनिश नहीं कर पाया, तो उस बात का डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है। बट अगेन ये मैच से सीख के फिर नेक्स्ट मैच इस पे इम्प्रूव करेंगे। ऑब्वियसली सेट बैट्समैन को खेलना थोड़ा ईजियर था देन नया बैट्समैन आना, तो मेरा या किसी को उधर रहना बैट्समैन को बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था। तो हमने विकेट्स बहुत ही मतलब रेगुलर इंटरवल में खोए, इसलिए हमारा मतलब लास्ट में थोड़ा मुश्किल हुआ। बट हैविंग सेड दैट उन्होंने भी अच्छा बॉलिंग किया है और हमको प्रेशर में डाला जब विकेट गया, तो ये सब होता है। बट अगेन इससे सीख के हम बेटर ही हो सकते हैं, तो नेक्स्ट मैच के लिए अच्छा तैयारी होगा। Look, obviously, we lost an important player in Faf, and we always knew like there are few of us who are sitting outside and who are batsmen who should be and have to be ready at any given time. So mentally, I was ready, and obviously looking forward to the chance whenever it came, and so I'm really happy that I got the opportunity. It's about me now going out there and capitalizing on that opportunity. Well, I'm not sure because as long as I was batting, it was the same ball. So I'm really not sure what if it did change or not. It's just about they obviously bowled well as well, and we were not able to stitch partnerships, so which is important in T20. And but that happens because we are all looking to score runs quickly, and like I said before, it's a learning, and we have to take this forward in the next games and keep up the winning momentum that we have. Obviously, if you see the role of the impact players impacted the whole game through the IPL, you can see the number of runs that are being scored, and there's a lot of freedom for the batsman to go out there and play the shot. So it helps teams to go out and express themselves. I felt confident. I felt like I'm well prepared to play in the IPL if given the opportunity. So it was all about me preparing the way that I've been all through the season and waiting for my chance. So I was doing my bit and to prepare and be ready for the game. And then it's always a tough call for the team management to pick 11 or 12 players. So I've always respected that, and for me it is about preparing and keeping the same process that I've followed, which has worked for me, and just being ready to go out there and perform for the team. Quite honestly, I've had the confidence that I've played before, and I know how it's going to be, and it's nothing different that I'm not going to be facing anything new. So, but in my mind, it was just about going out there and giving myself few balls and just getting used to the speed of the game and the atmosphere. So I just told myself, give yourself time, play normal shots, and then improvise when needed. And I'm fortunately everything came off, and I'm happy that I batted well. But again, like I said, I would have loved that if the team had gone through and won the game. Obviously, I was confident and I was playing. I was in the flow, and I didn't want to stop the flow. So it was about picking the right balls and playing to the areas that I wanted to play. And he's the best bowler at the moment in world cricket, so I had to be very watchful of where he's going to bowl. But again, I just backed myself and backed the areas that I wanted to score. Well, if you see, I don't think my strike rate has ever been low. It's always been high. But yes, I can agree that it's a bit higher now. In the last 2 seasons, I've been batting well. It's about the confidence and executing the shots that you want to play. I don't think I've changed anything. Maybe added a couple of shots, but I've always played the same way. And it's executing the shots that you want to play and scoring those runs, which is going to help you, help you with the strike rate. Obviously, the longer you stay, the more chance you have to scoring more runs. So honestly, I haven't changed anything. My strike rate has always been good. But again, I've obviously worked hard to play the shots that I want to play and execute that well. So it's about the process and the practice, and I'm happy and fortunate that it's coming off, and hopefully I can keep continuing the same way. मेरे दिमाग में तो अभी इस टूर्नामेंट चल रहा है, और जैसे मैं सीज़न में अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, मेरा मन में यही है कि कंटिन्यू करो, और जो भी कंसिस्टेंसी दिखा रहा हूँ वही करते रहो. ज़्यादा आगे मत सोचना, एक एक मैच का सोचना, और ट्रीट एवरी डे एज अ न्यू डे. सो मेरे लिए तो अभी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है, अभी इधर जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मेरे को मिलता है उस पर फुल यूटिलाइजेशन करना है, और एंड आगे जो भी होता है देखा जाएगा, बट अभी के लिए तो फोकस हर एक मैच पे है. देखिए, मेरा गेम प्लान यही होता है कि सिचुएशन और पिच के हिसाब से खेलना, और मेरे को ये कॉन्फिडेंस है कि मैं कुछ हर जगह खेल सकता हूँ, तो हर तरीके का शॉट खेल सकता हूँ, तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस मेरे में है. तो बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द पिच क्या वर्क हो सकता है उस दिन, उसी हिसाब से मैं खेलता हूँ. तो आज मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि ऐसा खेलना है तो ऐसा खेला, बट अगले मैच में शायद पिच अलग होगा, तो अलग तरीके से शायद खेलना पड़ेगा या खेल सकता हूँ. तो इट्स डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट द सिचुएशन रिक्वायर्स एंड व्हाट द पिच ऑफर्स.